In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GPT-powered Copilot control to your Power Apps in just a few simple steps. We'll walk through the full process together in a clear and practical way. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an AI-powered experience into your app. To get started, open Power Apps Studio. From there, you can either create a brand new Canvas app or open an existing project where you want to add this feature. If you already have an app that works with business data, that's a great place to begin because the Copilot control becomes most useful when it can help users ask questions about real information inside the app. Once your app is open, go to the top of the screen and click Settings. Inside Settings, select Upcoming Features. In the search area, look for the Copilot component setting and turn it on. This step is important because the control may not appear in your app builder until the feature has been enabled. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and make sure the setting is fully switched on. Next, move to the Data tab on the left side of the screen and add your data source. This could be something like Dataverse or SharePoint, depending on where your app's information lives. This part matters because Copilot needs data to work with. In other words, it needs something to search, summarize, or answer questions about. Make sure you connect the correct source so the results users get are useful and relevant. After that, go to the Insert menu on the left panel and search for Copilot. When you find the Copilot control, drag it onto your Canvas screen and place it where it makes the most sense in your app layout. Try to position it somewhere easy for users to notice and interact with. Now select the Copilot control on the canvas and look over to the Properties panel on the right. This is where you'll configure it. Set the data source you want the control to use, then choose the specific fields that the AI should answer questions about. Be thoughtful here because selecting the right fields helps improve the quality and accuracy of responses. When that's done, click the play button in the top right corner to preview your app. Test the Copilot by typing plain English questions about your data. This is your chance to confirm that it understands the connected information and returns helpful answers. Finally, save and publish your app so your end users can start interacting with the new Copilot control. And that's it. A simple way to bring AI into your business applications. Thanks for watching and happy building.